Welcome to the all-in-one camera QR code tutorial. My name's Andrew, and today I'll be walking you through just how easy it is to set up our V-Series cameras with the VSX Setup Tool app. We're happy to introduce a feature that will redefine the way integrators install and configure cameras. The old traditional installation method could require, just for one job, up to 3 people installing at the rate of 45 minutes per camera and at the cost of $75 per hour. Now, with the QR code method, it allows just one person to easily install and configure a camera in just about 10 minutes, all while still being on top of the ladder. It's fast, it's simple, and most importantly, it's easy. Getting the app is just as easy as using it. Download the 3X Logic VSX Setup tool either from the iTunes Store for iPhone devices or from the Google Play Store for Android devices. The QR code setup feature is exclusive only to our VSX V-Series all-in-one camera when purchased with the Visual Server license. On the camera, you'll find a wire with 2 connections. This is called the lead. And if you have a PoE switch, you want to take your Cat5 cable and plug that into the network jack. This provides power and a network connection to your camera. If you have a non-PoE switch, that's okay. Just use our included power supply. Now we're ready to configure the camera. The first step is to open the app and click on the Setup New Camera icon. As an installer, you'll need to enter some basic personal information about the company, and this is later used in a final installation report that's generated for the customer and management team. You'll only be required to enter this information the first time you run the app. Next, the installer will have to enter in the customer's information. After you enter that basic information, it's time to use the QR code feature. The QR code can be found and scanned on either the camera box or the camera itself. It's important to remember to remove the QR code sticker from the front of the camera after installation. This prevents others from accessing your camera and its vital information. Now there's a second QR code that's located on the back of the camera, and this is used if the device needs any type of maintenance. Go ahead and scan the camera, and this will lead you to the camera login page. The username will be admin, and the password will be 12345. Click login. The app will recognize that you're using the default credentials and will give you the option to create your own personalized username and password. For the sake of this video, I'll just use the default credentials. And just like that, you're connected to the camera server, which allows you to watch a live video feed right from your device. The next page is your camera settings. This is where you can give your camera its own specific name. I'll name this camera Tutorial Cam. You can also change your time zone. I'll leave it on Mountain. And this Advanced tab shows that your camera and storage settings are configured with the recommended settings. So I'll leave those checked. Click Continue. Our last step in the VSX Setup app is to send an installation report to whom it may concern, whether that be the installer's management team, the customer's management team, or even to the end user. The report details the serial number, camera model, other camera information, the installer's information, and even a mapped location of the job site. Click Continue, and this is where you can add the email addresses to who you want the installation report to go to. I'll go ahead and add mm@abcinc.com. Alright, click Done and Continue. The app will confirm that your emails have been sent, and then you can click Finish, and you've successfully set up a VSX V-Series camera with the VSX Setup Tool app. With the VSX Setup app, you can do more with less. More camera installments in less time, with less people, and for less cost. We're 3X Logic, the smart, simple, scalable security solution. To find more videos about 3X Logic, visit our website at www.3xlogic.com.